Sentence making with used to in English. Used to is an auxiliary verb in English. It is a past tense verb form we can use to talk about a past routine, a discontinued habit, or a past situation. He is used to driving a car well. I am used to cooking. I am used to singing well. I am used to dancing gracefully. I am used to drinking tea. She is used to city life. He is used to getting up early. They are used to helping others. We are used to living in Delhi. She is used to traveling by bus. He used to pray before going to bed. Peter is used to living in cold weather. She used to work at a bookstore. He used to play football when he was younger. I used to smoke, but I quit 5 years ago. He used to be a doctor, but now he's an actor. He used to be my best friend, but we don't talk anymore. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.